The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class Hybrid isn't just a luxury sedan. It's a rolling statement of how the future feels when wrapped in handcrafted leather and powered by silent, electric thrust. This is where timeless sophistication meets next-gen technology, redefining what luxury mobility really means. The front fascia of the 2026 S-Class Hybrid radiates presence and refinement. The massive chrome grille with horizontal LED accents symbolizes dominance while reflecting Mercedes' signature elegance. The illuminated three-pointed star proudly sits atop the hood, paying homage to the brand's heritage even as the design steps boldly into the electrified era. Slim, angular digital light LED headlamps with blue accents flank the grille, delivering both artistry and precision illumination. The lower fascia integrates subtle aerodynamic inlets finished in black chrome, channeling air efficiently for hybrid cooling systems. Under soft daylight reflections, the pearl white paint dances between warm silver tones and cool platinum hues, pure Mercedes sophistication. From the side, the 2026 S-Class Hybrid exudes electric serenity and aerodynamic grace. A single, uninterrupted character line flows effortlessly from the headlights to the taillights, creating a sculpture of motion even when still. Flush door handles disappear into the bodywork, while the blacked-out roofline gives the illusion of a floating cabin. Massive, multi-spoke, turbine-style alloy wheels with aerodynamic inserts hint at the hybrid's power beneath. The proportions, long hood, sweeping roof, and balanced overhangs remain true to the S-Class DNA, but with a modern, fluid form inspired by the brand's EQ lineage.
The rear, the design achieves minimalism and digital elegance. A single full-width LED light bar stretches seamlessly across the tail, incorporating animated lighting sequences that come alive during startup. The illuminated Mercedes emblem sits proudly in the center, creating a futuristic signature visible from afar. Chrome accents outline the diffuser area, while subtle exhaust outlets remind us of its hybrid powertrain roots. Part electric, part combustion, all refinement. Step inside and you enter a digital sanctuary. The interior of the new S-Class Hybrid is a masterpiece of light, leather, and logic. The cabin is adorned with hand-stitched, diamond-quilted Napa leather in a warm ivory tone, contrasted by brushed aluminum and open-pore wood finishes. Ambient lighting flows through concealed LED strips in 64 customizable colors, illuminating the cabin like an art installation. The Hyperscreen 2.0 dominates the dashboard, a seamless glass panel that merges three massive OLED displays into one fluid digital surface. The central display manages infotainment and climate functions, while the passenger display allows interactive entertainment. The 12.3-inch digital driver cluster adapts dynamically based on driving modes: classic, sport, and electric. Beneath all the elegance lies a powertrain engineered for the new era of intelligent performance. The 2026 S-Class Hybrid pairs a 3.0-liter inline-six turbo engine with an advanced electric motor integrated into the 9G-tronic transmission. Together, they deliver around 510 horsepower and 700 newton-meters of torque, achieving an effortless 0 to 100 kilometers per hour sprint in under 4.8 seconds. The plug-in hybrid system allows over 100 kilometers of pure electric range, making it ideal for both urban commutes and long highway cruises. The battery pack, smartly positioned under the floor, maintains perfect weight distribution while enabling fast charging up to 60 kilowatts DC. In electric mode, the S-Class glides silently, emphasizing its smoothness and composure. When the combustion engine joins in, the transition is so seamless that it feels almost metaphysical, the future whispering through every kilometer. Mercedes-Benz plans to launch the 2026 S-Class Hybrid globally in late 2025, with deliveries beginning early 2026. Pricing is expected to start around $130,000, positioning it between the EQS and the flagship AMG S63 e-Hybrid. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class Hybrid is not merely a car. It's the intersection of tradition, innovation, and emotion. It proves that luxury can evolve without losing its soul, and performance can coexist with sustainability. If you're passionate about cars that represent the art of progress, then this S-Class is your masterpiece on wheels. Like, subscribe, and share this video for more deep dive reviews of the world's most futuristic cars. And remember, in the world of luxury, the S-Class doesn't follow trends. It creates them.